see how I feel about that. That might not have to go away though. Oh, I can feel some tolerance stacking happening. I was not thinking in 3 dimensions there, was I? Yeah. Holes. This is pretty fun. I like this. But there's fun material. I mean, it's not. I'm obviously no expert at this, but I mean, this is actually pretty approachable. I need to be able to slide it in and out. That. Like shit, that Rivet did not go how I wanted that to go. Not a complete disaster. You can undo those. Let's try that again. It still feels all fucked up. What the hell? Oh, they're all fucking. It's probably for thicker material. The little ones have probably been fine, but the big ones. Yeah, they're all doing that. Oh well. I think we'll still get it in and out. Actually, I want to do two right there. I'll do those with the smaller variety. I'll use a small guy. Big ones are the ones that are like, they're not driving straight, they're kind of slanting off to one side or the other. I'm going to use the small guys for these bottom two down here. I mean, for my first ever, now, since I was 5, that's the last time I think I worked with leather. It was when I was like a small child. And really, that was just me embossing a belt that somebody had already, pre-cut out and stuff. Yeah, those drive nicely. I think that's probably got something to do with the thickness of the leather and a little bit of technique, but I don't think I got enough layers for those big ones to work. Open hole there. I think I'm just gonna poke a couple holes. About where I want them snaps going. A little blue paint. Ooh, I don't know if I can. I can't get in that far. Maybe a little bit. Have to curl that. Alright, that worked. Didn't do the holes nearly as big as I needed them to. But maybe I recut those holes. Different little wall tool there. Feels pretty solid. I got duped again, but I got lucky because those are actually the right ones that are supposed to be in there, although probably supposed to be on the flat side of things. Just flatten that up, that work. No, not really. I'm not worried about it. Okay, because there's like a convex and a flat side. I use the convex side on those on the inside, but I should have been using flat, but it's all right. I think it'll all work out okay. If they fall off, I have more. Is also the idea. These look a lot nicer on the outside. Yeah, we'll see how long those last. See a little bit in there, but for the most part, I don't think that's too shabby. Good enough to fall on in the woods, you know? Suppose. I mean, this thing could use a little bit more refinement, but to be frank with you, I think I'll let some wear and tear give it some patina. Maybe if I get sick of it, I'll make a different one, but for now, I think the last thing to do is check and see if this thing chops anything.